My name is Monwabisi Dlamini, also known as Coach Mo from Soweto Basketball Academy. I'm also running the basketball program here at Morris Isaacson High School. Okay, so Morris Isaacson, according to just historically, is one of the most famous high schools here. In fact, schools in Soweto. And one thing that we've always wanted to see here is the sports programs really thriving, as they have really traditionally they've done very well. And what then inspired this project, which is something that we've been working on since just before 2020, was for us to see this beautiful school getting a beautiful basketball facility, which is also multi-purpose with a netball facility too. And yeah, that's really what inspired it, because the athletes that we produce here at the school are quite exceptional. We've got a couple of national team players that we've produced here, and we feel that it's important for not just the school, but schools around Soweto, schools around this ward, to have proper sports facilities. And this is really what inspired this program, this project.
I represent JD Sports. What we're doing here is we are resurfacing the courts and we're putting some new equipment on for the kids. Look, we've had to struggle with the rain a little bit, which always slows things down. But other than that, we've had a fantastic team behind the scenes as well that's just cooperated amazingly. So this has been running very smoothly and we're going. It's a process, it's always a process, and we are very happy with how things are going.
Yeah, I am Mr. Hlabangwan SB, Principal of Morris Isaacson. My role is to drive the curriculum, is to ensure that teaching and learning takes place on a daily basis. And then let me allude this one. Morris Isaacson, it's a historical school. But let me tell you how Morris Isaacson came about. Initially, this school was called Mohloding Secondary. It was a junior secondary. In 1957, the principal was Mr. Kobe. And then Mr. Kobe had a Jewish friend, and then by the name of Morris Isaacson. So Mr. Kobe donated 4,800 in 1957, of which Mr. Kobe helped to build the school, to expand the school. And then to reward Morris Isaacson, that's how the name was called, Morris Isaacson. That's where Morris Isaacson was born.
Good morning. My name is Senzo. I'm the deputy principal at the school, and my role as a deputy principal is to make sure that the school runs smoothly. Curriculum is covered, learners are learning, teachers are teaching, and learners have all the study material and teaching material for the teachers, and also to make sure that learners are participating in extramural activities. The basketball court, my excitement, I can't even control it. It's going to benefit them so, in a very, very huge way, because, as we're teaching them to achieve academically, we don't know what their careers is going to turn out to be later. Our kids are very, very good in all these extramurals, and sports being one of them. So it's going to benefit us because it's going to assist them to, some of them are going to begin to discover themselves because there are not enough facilities out there. And then when we have it here in the school, it's going to benefit us in that way that they will, some of them will begin to discover their talent and maybe a career in basketball, to be specific. And then those that are already playing basketball, you know, when it is right at your doorstep, then, you know, they will just excel out there and, you know, participate and represent the country out there.